Look, you've probably downloaded every breakthrough AI video generator that promises to revolutionize your marketing and transform your business. But if you really want scroll stopping ads that actually sell, do these free tools actually work? Let me show you 7 of the best free AI video tools out there so you could create UGC style ads that hook viewers. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is going to be Meta AI. This one works surprisingly well because it is completely free and unlimited. There are no watermarks, no credit systems, and no restrictions. You can generate as many videos as you want. Here's how it works. You start by generating an image with a text prompt. Then you hit animate, and that turns it into a video. The quality is solid, it has smooth motion and decent consistency. If you generate something you love, but it is a little bit too short, you could use the extend feature to add more footage. So what's the catch? Well, it is a generic video generator, so it's not going to understand hooks, CTAs, or UGC style frameworks. And when you start, you have to start from scratch every time. So this is going to be great if you want B-roll footage or experimental content, but it won't write you a script or structure your ad properly. You're going to have to do all of that yourself, which means your prompts are going to become very complex. So who is this best for? If you need unlimited free B-roll or want to experiment with video ads, Meta AI is a solid start. They also have a ton of starter videos or inspiration that you could pull and remix to create your own version as well. Next up, number 2, we have CapCut. This is another completely free tool with no watermark, and it's gotten insanely powerful. Inside of CapCut, you could create full video ads from text prompts. You could also add in AI avatars, and you could generate voiceovers. You could do all of this without spending a dime. One thing I love about CapCut is they do have templates that you could use to speed things up. That way you could paste in a script, choose a style, pick an aspect ratio that you want, and it builds the video for you. And probably the best part is the output quality can go up to 1080p or even 4K, which is wild for a free tool. But again, it's a general purpose video editor, so it's not designed to create ads or create the structure that you're going to need for your ads. You don't get ad specific features like product URL scraping, competitor analysis, or batch testing for different angles. Don't get me wrong, it is a fantastic tool if you are making content, but it is not designed or optimized for performance marketing. So who is this for? This is going to be for creators or social media managers who need high quality videos fast but aren't laser focused on ad conversion. All right, number 3 is Google VO3. So Google VO3 isn't technically free, but you can access it for free through a trial. You could get a 1-month free trial with 1,000 credits through Google AI Pro, or you could use Google Cloud's $300 trial credits. Now, VO3 will generate some of the most cinematic looking videos out there. Seriously, the motion quality and realism are top tier, and it can handle complex scenes really well. But because of that, the downside is videos are maxed out at 8 seconds per generation. And yes, I did say 8 seconds. So if you do want anything longer, you need to chain multiple clips together, which burns through credits fast. And once your trial ends, you're going to be paying $20 all the way up to $250 a month, depending on the plan that you choose. So yes, it can generate some really high-end visuals, but it is not going to be built for ads. You'll need to be clever, so you generate raw video through VO3, and then you could use it on other platforms. But out of the gate, it won't be a system that helps you test out hooks, write scripts, or create multiple ad variations all within one tool. Now, this is going to be most ideal for filmmakers, designers, or anyone who needs short cinematic clips and doesn't mind the trial limitation. Now, let's talk about tool number 4. This is Kling AI, which is technically not free. It's $7 a month for 30 video clips, but it's cheap enough that I'm including it here. So if you're tight on a budget, this is a cost-effective option. So the way it works is you upload an image and then write a prompt describing how you want it to move, and Kling will animate it. And this is going to be great to give you something smooth if you upload a product and you need some lifestyle B-roll. Now, like I mentioned for some of the other tools, it is a video animation tool, but it is not an ad creation platform. And that is a key difference. So that means you're still going to have to handle scripting, editing, and ad structure on your own. Yes, it is affordable, but it's not optimized for performance. Now, this is going to be best if you have products that you want to bring to life and you're budget conscious. Now, let's talk about tool number 5, HeyGen. HeyGen is a great tool for AI avatar videos. Now, their free plan is going to give you 3 videos per month and the export quality is 720p. If you want more videos, you'll have to upgrade to their $29 a month plan, which takes them out of the free category. But the reason I'm including them is their AI avatars do look good. That means you can create talking head videos that feel like a real person recorded them. Now, a limitation here is these are hyper specialized for avatar-based videos. Now, the best use case here is if you need talking head videos for training or education or personal branding. Now, let's go to number 6, InVideo AI. InVideo AI is another solid free option. You get 2 video minutes per week on the free plan with watermarks, or you could upgrade to their plus plan. Now, when it comes to InVideo, it is template heavy. You pick a template, drop in your script, and it generates a video with stock footage, voiceovers, and captions. It's fast and beginner friendly. So if you love the templates in there, it's gonna work great for you, but it is not designed for ads. You're gonna be limited to whatever stock footage and pre-built structures they provide. And there is also no URL to ad feature, no ad performance insights, and no way to batch test different creative angles. Now, this is gonna be best for small businesses or solo creators who want quick, template-driven videos for social. Now, number 7 is Creatify, and if you want to create UGC-style ads, there is no brand that even comes close. Creatify is the only tool on the list that was built specifically for creating ads, not just videos. So imagine this, you can paste in a product URL from Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, whatever, and Creatify will automatically scrape it, grab the product details, images, and key features. Then it'll take all of that and create a script based on proven frameworks that actually convert. This is completely different than any of the other tools I mentioned. Why? Because you're not starting from scratch. The AI scriptwriter will pull from data on what's already working in ads. But it doesn't stop there. You could also create custom avatars that will stay consistent across all your ads. Then you could also batch generate multiple versions of the same ad to test with different hooks and angles. And if you need B-roll or product cinematography, Creatify has tools built in to generate that for you. The free plan will give you 10 credits per month, which is enough for 2 video ads. And if you upgrade, you unlock more credits, remove the watermark, and get access to premium features like batch mode and advanced avatars. And this really is the difference. Every other tool on the list treats video creation as a standalone task. But with Creatify, it considers every other aspect of the process in the workflow. Now, this is going to be best if you're an e-commerce brand, a D2C company, or any marketer who needs to test creative fast and scale what works. And this is going to be especially valuable if you are running paid ads on Meta, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. You're going to need a lot of UGC style content and be able to find what works and create variations around that and scale your ads every single week. Look, if you are serious about creating ads that convert without blowing your budget on creators or agencies, start with Creatify. You could click that first link down below to get started today, and you could easily start to test the free plan, see how it compares to others, and scale from there. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the video on the screen to learn about how you could leverage Creatify to grow your brand.